Hello viewers and welcome to the latest video from B-Taker Videos, and today I am at Worle, which is on the Bristol to Exeter branch of the Great Western Main Line, and also possibly part of a cross-country route as well, because cross-country do pass through here. I've had bit of a weird morning, but like the 8:15 out of Newport, 1:50.002 that was delayed at Filton Abbey Wood, then cancelled from Bristol Temple Meads due to a train fault, which was meant to arrive in here at Worle at about 09:19, so that delayed me. And then due to other problems and delays arriving at Temple Meads, this 166, I was on 166.210, which is on the 09:51 to Weston-super-Mare, was what ended up getting delayed and by about 26 minutes. And I just heard that the 10:17 to Taunton is cancelled. So I did plan on arriving here 09:19 and departing 11:16 to head to Weston-super-Mare, which is just down there. But due to delays, I won't be seeing as many trains today here at Worle. It's from Great Western Railway and cross country from which I'll be seeing services, although probably only about 6 or 7 of them, which includes that 166 coming back. And I think we've got about maybe about 4 or 5 services which we'll be seeing from Great Western Railway and cross country, so this will be quite a short video. The cross country services would be passing as well. So the 10:17 Cardiff Taunton is cancelled. The 10:48 Taunton Cardiff, which would have been 1:50.002, that's been cancelled, as it was the one I was on. That the 10:48 Taunton Cardiff would be on its return route. So this is only going to be short videos. So yeah, it's about time. Let's get started for a short video here at Worle. Right, coming in now is 166.210 again, which is forming the delayed 10:17 to Bristol Parkway from Weston-super-Mare, calling it Yatton, Knelsey and Backwell, Parsons Street, Bedminster, Bristol Temple Meads and Bristol Parkway, cancelled due to earlier delays at Lawrence Hill, Stapleton Road and Filton Abbey Wood. But we'll see the part out shortly. Right, departing out 17.5 minutes late, 166.210, which is on the 10:17 to Bristol Parkway, operated by Great Western Railway. Next stop would be Yatton, followed by Knelsey and Backwell, Parsons Street, Bedminster, Bristol Temple Meads and Bristol Parkway. Cancelled, as I say, at Lawrence Hill, Stapleton Road and Filton Abbey Wood. Right, coming in now, we've got a passing service, which could be a 150 or could be even a 143. I think it is a 143. They're passing through 143, 611 and 143, 618.
May I have your attention, please, on platform 2.
And they're passing through
10:48 Great Western Railway service
possibly
to
on
Cardiff
an
Central
ECS,
has been cancelled.
possibly even on an empty stock movement to replace some of the cancelled services up here. And also looks like it's coming down in is another passing service, which is a turbo.
To Bristol Parkway, departing from platform 2. Passengers for Patchway,
I'm wondering what this turbo is on.
11:45 to Cardiff Central, departing from platform 2.
It's on an ECS move and it's 166-216. That's on an ECS move somewhere. And the double pairing of Pacers must be on an ECS move somewhere. Because Pacers aren't normally seen too much along this route anymore. So it's a lovely surprise seeing a double pairing of Pacers at Worle along with a turbo. 143-611 and 143-618, which may be forming a service later on, possibly to replace a couple of the units that had been playing up earlier, but I don't know. We'll see a bit later on. And from up here, it seems like the 166 is heading in onto a Weston-super-Mare loop. So he might be doing something at Weston-super-Mare. I don't know what just yet. So yeah. Right, coming in now is the delayed 10:51 to Weston-super-Mare, which is from Bristol Parkway, which is formed of a -2, 150, 261. Right, departing out now is 150-261, which is heading on the 10:51 to Weston-super-Mare from Bristol Parkway, departing 7 minutes late, which is given is probably going to be a tight turnaround at Weston-super-Mare, seeing as I think it's normally about a 10-minute turnaround. So it may be one or 2 minutes late when it comes back. No, I think it's 11:20 heading back to Bristol Parkway, which is a couple minutes later than I think his normal departure time from Worle. So I think it might be a 13-minute connection time for this service anyway. So
platform 2.
The
next train is not scheduled to stop.
So it's not too much of a disruption. Right, coming now is another passing turbo. Is it 218 coming back? No, 216. Yeah, 166, 216 coming back from Weston-super-Mare, from in the Western Loop, doing whatever it's planned to do before turning back. I'll see if I can find out what that was all about. and I might tell. I'll probably put it in the description, or it may be in my next video. And that's a passing service from York to Plymouth, and that's a passing 221 Super-Voyager. I'm not quite sure of the number of that, but it's 5 carriages, so it's definitely a Super-Voyager. I'm just not sure which one it is. It'll probably come back around later. I may see it again later, as it's going to Plymouth and probably back up again, so I may see it later. But yeah.
Train is not scheduled to stop.
Right, passing through now is a service from Plymouth to Aberdeen. And that is 220,003.
Railway service to Cardiff Central has been cancelled and will start from Bristol Temple Meads.
Yeah, that's 220,003. Right, coming in now is the final train of this video, which is a passing HST to London Paddington from Paignton, which just came out of the Western Loop and heading via Bristol Temple Meads. And this is the final train, because my train to Weston-super-Mare is coming behind me on this platform. This is 43041 and 43131 on the HST. And so thank you guys for watching my Worle video. If you have liked what you've seen it, then please do like and subscribe, and please leave any comments below with any recommendations as well. Our next station will be Weston-super-Mare, so please do check out my video from there when it's complete. In the meantime, thank you for watching and goodbye.